In this video we're going to give you 13 mind-blowing Seedance 2.0 video tips, all while showing you how you can now use Seedance 2.0 directly inside LoveArt. Let's go! One of the newest features inside LoveArt is multi-angles, which is incredibly useful if you're making films and videos and you want more control. Instead of constantly regenerating the same subject and helping you get the right angle, you can select an image directly on the canvas and create multiple perspective variations using simple controls like horizontal rotation, tilt, and zoom. This is huge for AI filmmaking because it can create consistent front views, side views, low angles, close-ups, and product angles before sending those images to Seedance 2.0 to turn them into cinematic video shots. One of the biggest problems with AI video has always been that characters tend to change from shot to shot, but Seedance 2.0 inside LoveArt is built to help maintain character consistency, which makes it a lot more useful for real films, ads, and story-driven videos. You can create or upload a character reference, keep that character on your LoveArt canvas, and then use it as a visual anchor for your video generations. This makes it much easier to create close-ups, wide shots, profile shots, and action shots, where the character still feels like the same person, instead of a completely different face every time. AI filmmaking used to be limited to generating one shot at a time, but now you can generate clips with multiple shots that all have perfect character and scene consistency. This is especially valuable because it saves you money by allowing you to get more shots for less credits. This is another mind-blowing feature we've never seen before. If you generate an image and the composition is almost perfect, but the subject is in the wrong spot, you don't have to reprompt the entire thing and hope it works the second time. You can simply select the object and move it where you want. This is perfect for cleaning up a shot, making adjustments to the composition, or even creating start and end frames you can use in Seedance 2.0 to animate an object moving from one place to another with incredible control. If you're creating any type of film or video where you need your characters to talk, you can now use audio to drive the performance. Before this, each video of your characters talking would use a different voice. Now you can keep it perfectly consistent by uploading the voiceover. This allows you to create consistent voices to use throughout entire projects, or work with voice actors by letting their performances drive the video generations. We have anomalous readings coming from the sector we just jumped from. Prepare the drive in case we need to make another emergency jump. One of the strongest workflows for filmmakers is using LoveArt's narrative storyboard skill to go from an idea to a finished film or video. Instead of guessing prompts from scratch, you can create a new project, select the narrative storyboard skill, and give LoveArt the concept for your film, ad, or social video. It will help create a professional storyboard baseline with visual styles, shot ideas, and a clear structure. You can then adjust the frames, use Move Object or other editing tools to refine the composition, and turn those storyboard images into polished video clips using Seedance 2.0. One trick we use in live-action filmmaking that works incredibly well with AI filmmaking is creating cutaway insurance. AI clips don't always start or end perfectly, and sometimes the character is seeing changes in a way that makes the edit feel broken. So instead of relying only on the main shot, generate extra cutaways in the same world. This could be a hand reaching for something, a close-up of a product, a door opening, a detail of the environment, a reaction shot, or a silhouette. These little shots make it way easier to hide continuity issues and make the edit feel intentional. LoveArt is perfect for this because you can keep the same visual direction on the canvas and use Seedance 2.0 to generate supporting shots that feel like part of the same scene. Seedance 2.0 inside LoveArt can also create full 1 to 2 minute short films from a single prompt, which is one of the most impressive use cases if you want to move fast and turn your concept into something visual. But instead of writing a vague prompt, try writing it like a director. Describe the story, the world, the characters, the camera style, the lighting, the emotional tone, and the structure of the film. LoveArt can help turn that idea into a more complete workflow, and then Seedance 2.0 can generate cinematic, high-quality results that feel much closer to a finished short than a random AI clip. If you're a writer, you can go beyond simple prompting by just uploading your whole script. LoveArt will then be able to create individual prompts based on all of your story's context, and then use Seedance 2.0 to generate all the visuals. You can even add a step between the two, by going script to storyboard and then storyboard to video if you want more control at each stage. An even cooler experiment you can do with LoveArt is to upload a storyboard like the ones we generated earlier, and have Seedance 2.0 animated in any style you want. As a pro tip, add a reference image for the style you want the final visuals to have before running it. Using this same style reference image with every storyboard will allow you to get a consistent look across all your generations. If you want to make AI ads for yourself, your brand, or clients, LoveArt makes the entire process much faster. You can paste in a creative brief, describe the product, choose the type of ad you want to make, and let LoveArt help generate the concept, visual direction, storyboard, product images, and campaign assets. Then you can use Seedance 2.0 to turn those assets into polished videos. Before making a full AI video, create a mini style Bible inside LoveArt. This can include your character design, color palette, lighting references, product images, logo, wardrobe, environment, and a few example frames that define the look. Then use those assets as references when generating your Seedance 2.0 clips. This is especially useful for short films, ads, and branded content because it keeps everything from feeling like a different world every time you generate a new shot. The more organized your visual references are, the more consistent your final video will feel. If you want your AI films and videos to look more cinematic, we use a technique we call motion budgeting. A lot of AI videos fall apart because everything is moving at once. The camera is moving, the character is moving, the background is changing, the lighting is shifting, and the model's trying to invent the whole scene in real time. A much better approach is to decide what the main movement of the shot is before you generate it. Maybe it's a slow camera push-in, maybe it's a character turning their head, maybe it's light moving across a product. But don't ask for 10 things at once. Inside LoveArt you can design the first frame clearly, then use Seedance 2.0 to animate 1 or 2 intentional movements. This usually gives you much more cinematic, controlled results. These are just a few of the ways you can use Seedance 2.0 inside LoveArt to create cinematic AI films, ads, and videos. Seedance 2.0 is now live on LoveArt with no waitlist and no queue, so check out loveart.ai to try it out for yourself, and we'll see you in the next one.